This is the elevator of the Freeport Road Professional Building in Natrona Heights, Pennsylvania. This is Westinghouse or Schindler elevator. MPH. Double lantern round there. Surprisingly, both actually work. Up to 2. Here we go up. Schindler. Here are 2. I've done 1, so we did not travel very far. So line 110 up here. No phone. Certificate installed in 1992. It's a basic pink cab. It's a completely pink cab. No railings on the side, only on the rear. It's a 2-speed door hospital-sized cab, which I wasn't expecting for a building like this. How cool is that going to be?